In order to use AI properly, you need to know how to prompt. So the quality of the output is based on the prompt you put into the AI. In this video, I will show you how to quickly create professional descriptive prompts so that you can create stickers, coloring book pages, and AI art to help you make money online. So grab your prompt machine generator and let's get started. So people are making a lot of money online selling stickers and coloring pages and even AI art. So here's a proof. But first, if this is your type of content, please subscribe to my channel, please. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have this coloring book being sold on Etsy for $3.15. And you scroll down, we can see that in the past 7 days, these were sold 30 times, okay? And the total sales so far was 588. And guys, this coloring book was only posted this year, March of this year. Okay, so look at these, beautiful, very beautiful. And I am assuming that the owner will definitely increase the price when the sales as the sales continue to increase. Okay, so next guys, we have a bunch of stickers here, and as you can see, these stickers are being sold for $9.99. It is 50 custom tie-dye vinyl stickers, so these will be printed out and sent to the person. In the past 7 days, these were sold for 29. These were sold 29 times for a total of, and the total sales were 8,618. All right, as you can see, these are very simple stickers, right? Very simple stickers from what you can see here. Next, we have this beautiful art print, and could you believe this is a digital download? Very beautiful. And this has been sold for $23.87. And in the past 7 days, it was sold 20 times. Could you believe that? And the total sales so far was 1,369 times it was sold. And we have these pictures here, and I am assuming that the customer will receive 3 of these lovely pictures. Okay, and this is a easy way that you can actually increase the price for your digital products by adding more items or creating a bundle. Now I will show you how you can easily create your own artwork, your AI artwork, your coloring pages, your stickers, and so forth, just like the professionals. All right, so I will show you how to prompt properly. Okay, so let's get started. I would like to encourage you guys to follow along by downloading the list of the prompt generators that is linked below. Okay guys, so we are on how to leverage AI. So basically they will show you how to use AI to make money online. So they also have some prompt generators that I will be going through today with you, and these will show you how to create, coloring book styles in seconds, as it says. It will help to create what you want, what you like to envision. If you're not great at prompting, you can easily use their prompt generator. And this is one that I really like because it is very easy, guys. It is extremely easy. All right, so basically all you have to do is type in what you want to draw. So let us say we want to draw a house. We click on generate styles. So these are your 10 different prompts that it has produced. Okay, so let us click on the first one and we will enter this prompt into Midjourney. So now we are in Midjourney. I will simply paste my prompt in here. If you notice, it already has the /imagine and the description. So it is saying coloring pages for adults, house in style of blocky. I guess all this you can change if you like. But let us see what we're working with. And also it gave us the size, right? And of course you can change it as well. Let us enter. So let us, while this is Midjourney is doing this thing, let us go back to the prompts. Okay, so as you can see, the prompts here, it has adult coloring books for all of these. What we can do is probably change one to children, right, or kids. Yeah, change it to kids. I think the 9x6 is okay just for demonstration purposes, but if you are doing this for Amazon, then you can make your changes here. So I like the cartoon style, so I will copy this one and go into Midjourney and paste this. We will put, instead of adults, we'll put kids or children and enter. I'm not sure what is happening with this one, but I will have to re-enter the first prompt. Okay, so let me just copy and re-enter the first prompt again, enter. So now it's working. So as you can see, Midjourney is doing its thing here. So while Midjourney is doing its thing, let us type in large flowers for children's coloring book and generate style and see what the prompt generator provides. Okay, so now it gave us something here and it is still saying adults. Okay, large flowers coloring pages for children. So we will change that and put it for children because it is still saying adults. Let us generate some other. Okay, all right, so it's still saying for children. So what we'll do is copy this prompt here and enter this into Midjourney and see what we get. Oh, let us change this first to children and see what we get. Just for the purpose of this tutorial, I will only select one image to show you at the end. So I really like, all of these are beautiful. I like number 1, 4, but just for the sake of demonstration purposes, I will just show you one. Okay, so I really don't like this one. I don't like the second one at all, right? But anyway, that's the style it provided. So it did said in the style of a blocky style. So let us select number 2, and these flowers are beautiful, right? So these flowers are beautiful, and I will pick number 4. We also have to pay attention to the the detail of the prompts here. Okay, really need to pay attention to these, to the prompt. While this is beautiful, I do not like the background as black. Okay, so I have decided to re-enter the one for the flowers again, and let us see what Midjourney will provide here. Okay, so it is saying large flowers for children's coloring book in the style of whimsical jagged lines, high detail, floral background, black and white, no shading. Okay, so I love these. These are perfect. So I really like I like number 4, and I also like number 3. Okay, so this is what it gave us. So I really like this one much better. Now we will go back to, let us see what else we can do. So we can also use this to create stickers, right? So we can also use this to create stickers. I love stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? So I will create stickers of an apple tree. So we will just enter apple tree and click on generate prompt, and it was so fast. Look at this. So we have different types and all types of apple tree stickers we can generate. So let us just copy this and enter this into Midjourney. I also entered the same prompt into Canva. So let us see what Canva has generated for us. Okay, so this is like a little competition at the same time, right? So look at Midjourney stickers. Wow, I really like version 4. I'll upscale that one, and I'll also go ahead and upscale number 3 as well. Let us see what Canva generated. I would say photo style stickers. Okay, so this is what Canva provided, and what do you think? I guess Canva is not designed for this type of descriptive prompt. Okay guys, so Midjourney is much better when it comes to creating stickers. And another sticker I would like to create is an ice cream sticker. So another sticker is an ice cream cone with ice cream dripping down on the side. Okay, so let us see what it generates for us. Okay, so this is what, so let us use the first prompt, copy that and enter. Okay guys, so I really like these. I love what I'm seeing. So I love all of these. Love number 1 and I love number 2. Okay, so look at this, how detailed this is. Okay, so guys, so that is it for stickers. Now let us look at let us generate our own AI art. What will we generate? Let us generate a princess. in a garden. Okay, and here you can choose the size. So we'll choose 1 by 1 and simply click on generate styles, and this is what we have here. Analog horror. We don't want anything that says horror. So let us select this one here, copy, and we will enter several in Midjourney at the same time, right? So we'll go back and choose another one. Image prompt, a princess in a garden, minimalist, da da da. So let us try this one, copy this, enter it here, and we will choose one more, enchanting. You see these words? I love these words. So yeah, they will actually get me with that. So guys, if you are not an expert at prompting, just like me, definitely you will, you can use a prompt generator to assist you until you get there. Okay, so remember, prompting is all about being very descriptive with what you want. Okay, so as you can see, it is taking its time and to create these images. Wow, these are beautiful, guys. These are beautiful, very beautiful, as you can see, right? So I really like the last image here. Where did it go? Okay, so I really like the last image, and I also really love this one. Something about this looks so scary. I like this one here, the last one, and I like this one as well, number 2. Upscale 2, and let us upscale, I'll upscale number 3 here as well. Okay, so let us look at this. Okay, so this is okay, not great, but it's okay. Let us save this. This one is beautiful, and I really like this one as well. Yeah, I really like these. Okay, so guys, that's it. So here are the beautiful artwork and stickers and the coloring pages that were created today just using the prompt generator and Midjourney version 5. Okay, so guys, comment below and let me know if this is your type of content. I can definitely do more AI content just like this for you. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know how you can use an AI pattern to create beautiful patterns so that you can sell online today to start making some money, go ahead and check out this video.